Good day everyone, I am James Salvacion. Our topic for today is all about isometric versus concentric. What is isometric? Isometric in fitness typically refer to exercises where muscles are contracted without significant movement of the joints. These are exercises help to build strength and stability in specific muscles groups. In yoga, isometric exercise can be incorporated into various poses or as a standalone practices. For example, holding a plank. Holding a plank pose or a warrior pose requires isometric contraction of muscles to maintain the position. So, ang isometric is ang exercise nga ginahold mo ang kabugaton kay sa kabagay. Example, gahold ka sang barbell, ginahold mo lang ang barbell. Wala gahulag. Ga push up position ka. Example, ga push up position ka. Nga wala mo gina-push padalong ang imong lawas, ginahold mo sa babaw. Isometric yoga poses can target specific muscles groups and help party learners develop strength, endurance, and stability. They are often used in yoga sequence designed to build muscle strength and improve overall body awareness. So, examples ng isometric exercise is one is wall set. Wall set is gatapi ka sa isa ka pader kung gina-hold mo ang imong lawas. Example like this. So, ang wall set is ginabend mo ang imong tiil like this. Dugapong kukaw, tapos hold. Isa sa mga examples ng isometric is wall set. And also, one example, high plank. High plank is, una, pause, hold, magulag, look forward, yes. Yes. So, ang isometric, amo na siyang ambag kong gina, ang isometric is ang kinalain na sa concentric. Ang isometric wala gahulag. Ginahold mo lang ang power sa imo sa kabugaton sa imo lawas. Like squat. Squat ka lang. Hold mo lang. Gahold ka lang. Amularan. Wala may gahulag sa imo. Hold mo lang gid ang power sa imo lawas. So amo na ang kinalain sang isometric sa concentric. So, what is concentric? Concentric exercise is a type of muscles contraction that occurs when the muscles shorten its length while generating force. This is the most common type of muscles contraction and is typically associated with the lifting pace or resistance training exercise. The muscles contract against resistance, causing it to shorten. The force generated by the muscles overcomes the resistance, allowing movement to occur. Example of concentric exercise include lifting weight during o bicycle curl up or pushing against the ground during a push-ups. So example sang concentric is ang bagay ginahakwat mo tapos may progression ang imong hulag. Example, number 1 example naton sa aton nga concentric is set up. Set up is like this. Pungko ka lang. Then pungko, then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, ang kinalain sang concentric sa isometric, ang concentric is gina-hold mo ang imo nga power, tapos ginadugangan mo pa sang ginhakot mo ang imo kabugaton, amo na ang isa sa kinalain sang concentric sa isometric. Isa pa kay example sa aton nga concentric is push up. Push up is like ang ginhimo ta is plank, ginahold ta lang plank. Subong push up is plank, then push padalong. Like this. Plank, plank, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. So, muna ang bako nga isometric is exercise nga ginahold mo lang ang imong bugat, wala may gahulag sa imo, ginahold mo lang gid ang imong persa. Lain sa concentric nga ginahold mo ra yung imong persa pero gahulag ka pa. So, amo ni sa concentric construction in the bicep brachii during the upward phase of exercises. Bali sa jagit ano di ka focus. Ang concentric bali jagit ito na amo ni ang concentric. Bali imagine ta lang may dumbbell ako nga nakaptan, and dumbbell up, down, up, down, up, down. Bali mo na diyan na ang aton ang gatrabaho gid siya naton sa concentric more gid ang ari, kaya mo ni ang kapamersa nga hindi mag bigay. Once nga mahina ang imo nga ampadya, once gahakot ka dumbbell, wala ang mahina latoy. Bali ang bicep gid. Bicep brachii produce tension in shorten. Na munang ba gina ang bicep ta ga produce ang shorten nga power like this na. Then drop naman. Up, drop na. It pulls the forearm upward to cause flexion of the elbow na. Muna. Up, down. Up, down. Isometric construction occurs in the bicep brachii when the muscles is holding the weight still. Muna ang gina ang isometric construction. Ang isometric ang kinalain na sa concentric, di ba ang concentric gina mo ni. Ang isometric gina-hold mo lang gid ang power. Imaginary lang may dumbbell. Nakaptan may dumbbell. Gina-hold mo lang ang dumbbell. Hold mo lang, wala may gahulag. Wali gina-hold mo lang gid ang kabugkatan sang dumbbell. So, it stop flexion and extension of the elbow. Amo no gina ang concentric is ginamo kanay. I-extend kita na ang imong nga siko. Bari ang isometric is wala. Pag mo muna sini, hold mo lang gid, wala i-hulag. I-extend lang gid ang ginaobra. Concentric exercise is often constructed with eccentric exercise where the muscles length while generating force, and isometric exercise where the muscles contract without changing length. Together, these three types of muscles construction from the basis of resistance training. Program aim at improving strength, muscle size, and overall fitness. While the term of isometric and concentric may not have direct counterparts in yoga fitness, the principles of isometric strength training and concentric are integral components of a well-rounded yoga. Practice integrating isometric and concentric exercises techniques into yoga routines can enhance physical strength, mental focus, and overall well-being. So, ang ini nga mga exercise is kinanglanon man sa mga varsity, para sa amon yung mga varsity, kinanglanon man namon ini ang mga exercise nga ini, especially sa amon nga upper body nga magbaskog magamos ini, kinanglanon man namon para sa magbungguanay para sa akon sports ko football is kinanglanon gid baskog ang imong upper body para sa magbadira o magbungguanay man sa imong opponents na amo na ang kinalain sang isometric sa concentric.